The Itertools library in Python is super useful, and I love its group by function. It's really useful when you're doing data processing or analysis tasks where you want to categorize data on a specific criteria. So let's dive into this example. We're going to start by importing the Itertools library so that we can use the group by function. So we're going to create a list of dictionaries, each representing a student with their name and grade. And this is the data that we're going to group by their grades. So to use the group by function, we need to sort the list by the key we're grouping by, which in this case is their letter grade. So we sort the students' lists by the grade key. So now we're going to apply the group by function, specifying that we want to group the grade key. And so if we print the group students variable, you can see its structure. It's not super readable, but this is how the data is actually stored. So that's why in this last step, we're going to iterate over the group data and print out the grade and the list of students in each group in a more readable fashion. So whenever you're using this, you're going to kind of want to use this structure to make the data readable, but it's still a super useful function. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.